this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L510 using adjustment programs. Before you download these adjustment programs, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection on Windows 10. After you disable all of your antivirus, you can download these adjustment programs. We put link into description. You can just click that link. Then you can click extract here, open the Reset folder, double click in adjustment programs and select L510 and click OK. Choose particular adjustment mode. Select washing pad counter, click OK. Tick on the main pad counter and click button check. Then you can click button initialization. The last step, you can click finish. Then you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn on again your printer. That's all.